your boy back at it again. I wanted to get you guys an update on things, and I wanted to apologize because I haven't been posting as often as I said I was going to post, but I will definitely keep the videos coming. First of all, I want to say that your boy is going to be a dad. I'm super excited. Me and my wife think it's perfect timing. We're blessed, you know, we're 27 years old. I want to be able to enjoy the kids. So, by the way, this is a YouTube exclusive. No one else knows. Keep it on the down low. Keep it on the down low. Also, I have been making progress on the EK right now. So in this video, I clean the engine, I take it apart, and I have the engine sitting at the machine shop right now. The block was good, but the head had a few leaks on it, so we took it apart. It needs guides, seals, and it needs... I'm debating on doing new valves while I'm at it. You know, I'm going to keep the car for a while, so I might as well do it. Also, I have all the parts for it at the powder coating shop already. I sandblasted it all. I'm just waiting for the powder, so that should be here early next week. I'll make sure to post some videos on that. And then also, my buddy Freddie, the guy who painted my hatch, is coming over sometime this weekend, and he's going to spray the engine bay on the EK. So that's pretty exciting, guys. However, I haven't done anything else that's been exciting. I tried to hit this meet, and it was like 10 cars when we showed up. It was pretty whack, but me and my buddies, I mean, that's what it's all about, right? Hanging out with your friends. So we went out there and just hung out for a little bit, and then we took off. Unfortunately, right after that, we stopped to get gas on the Type R. My wife was driving the Type R behind me. We stopped to get gas, and my fuel pump on the EG failed. We had to tow the car home, and it ended up being a long night, but you know what? Stuff happens. But anyways, we got the pump in today, so I'll be pulling that out. I don't know if I'm actually going to work on it today. It's raining outside. But I will get that on the car and hopefully try to get it running tomorrow. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. I am definitely going to try to do more of a quality over quantity type of thing, so I will try to get you guys some good videos, some good footage. Yeah, stick around, guys. Stick around. I'm not done yet.
Oil?
I think it's water. Yeah, it doesn't pull the transmission off, pull the axles off. I got the manifold off. Starter, alternator. I'm gonna take the alternator brackets to get powder coated with the rest of the stuff. Same thing with the manifold. Take that apart and get that powder coated. And as far as the rest of the engine, I need to clean as best as I can. I have to take it up to speed element and get a leak down test on it. So that's the plan. Day 2 of working on this thing. I'm using this oven cleaner and this coil cleaner that Palm Trees got me. Shout out Palm Trees. And it's working its magic. It's actually looking really good. You're helping. Shout out Megan. Alright guys, I have the motor all bagged up in the back of my truck. It's supposed to rain tonight, so I'm trying to keep it dry. I pulled the intake manifold off, and I'm going to be dropping this off at the powder coating shop as well. I'll probably be in there tomorrow, work on that for a little bit, and then I'll be heading up to speed element with the motor, and we're going to do a leak down test. Figure out what we're going to do with that thing. Dang, you guys, Royce did not waste any time on this. Look at that. There you go. Now it's gonna be a real race.
Oh yeah.
T gang.
Don't remind me. It can be part of my name.
It has been an ugly day today. It's been pouring all day. Traffic is starting to build up, and we're gonna hit all that on the way home. But right now, we are on our way to Speed Element. We are gonna do a leak down test on the poor man's Type R. And hopefully we don't find a lot of things wrong with it. And if we do find things wrong with it, hopefully it's the head, because I can pull the head off and get the head work done. And it's not going to send me back too much. If it's the piston rings, I've decided I'm going to go with pistons and rods while I'm at it. That being said, wish me luck, guys. Stay tuned. I didn't get much done today. I was kind of busy towing cars, and I was pretty busy at work, so I got off kind of late. But now is the good time as ever to take this head off and get it to the machine shop, since I found out cylinder 1 and 2 have a leak on the intake side. So let's get to it. Hammer time. There you go. Dang, good thing we took this thing apart. This thing's freaking dirty. head off. Now he's gonna collect all these. It has the ARP head studs to score, but now I have to get all these out of the head. That's all ready to go. All right, guys, done deal.